The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
Hey everybody, Kevina here with a quick video. In a previous video, I shared an option to pay for airfare, which can easily become one of the most expensive aspects of a trip. Fly Now, Pay Later, and Affirm offer payment solutions for your air travels. It appears Affirm with partner sites, you can pay for the entire trip. Comment below a trip that airfare made you reconsider the trip entirely. In this video, we'll go a bit deeper into Fly Now, Pay Later because they offer more flexibility with having a virtual card. So you have more options in choosing your airline and airfare. Fly anywhere and spread the cost of your trip in flexible monthly installments from 0% APR. That's like the slogan that's on their website. They offer instant financing to help you spread the cost of your trip over 1 to 12 month period. You choose your trip at one of their partner sites, then click the Fly Now, Pay Later option at checkout, or you can download their app. Once your booking is confirmed, they pay the cost directly to the travel provider or provide you with a virtual card through the app. I'll share a few of the biggest travel brands, we're familiar with where the virtual card can be used. Expedia, Emirates, Hotels.com, Trivago, Booking.com, and Carnival. I gather from their website that there is a transaction fee and the monthly payments would be a fixed amount based on the duration of the loan. The travel loan amount depends on your credit profile and your travel plans. There are no hidden fees, so the total at checkout is what you'll actually pay. And they also don't have penalties for early repayment. Like I mentioned, Shaquille nor I have used them before. However, I intend to consider this for those international flights, especially if I'm using my credit card and they offer better interest rates. I hope this has opened your eyes and given you an option for going for that more extravagant trip that you want to go on. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Follow us on your social media platform of choice for more cultural experiences and more.